Good evening, traders. It's Simon at Kairos Capital Markets with the daily direction prediction for the 28th of April. So this is the last day of the trading month, and to be quite honest, I see a lot of euro weakness in the market and a lot of pound strength for the last couple of days. So euro pound is the most optimal trade to take, and I think we can get out at 837 area. If you look at this daily chart here, we've actually, although we gapped up to the daily 50, it's produced some form of reversal candles, not the greatest, but had a nice fall down. It's respected its downward sloping trend line and respected the daily 50 in general and the Fibonacci 382. So what I'm looking for now on the intraday is a pullback. So ideally, we'd like the pullback to the 1 hour and 4 hour 50. That would be very nice and ideal to actually see, because then we actually create a lower high. And if I show on the 4 hour chart what that looks like, this just shows you here what the pullback would be to the 382 level, downward sloping trend line, and the 4 hour 50. And we can get out at these recent lows here. This is 8355. So on the same chart here, I think 836. What we got there? We got 836. There you go. That's what you want, and that's a nice 3% trade there if it pulls back that far with a 30 pip stop. The 30 pip stop, I mean, maybe a little bit higher than that, just above this area here. Remember there somewhere, but just understand though, on the 4 hour chart, 848 is the fairly key level there, so it may come to test it. So I want to see the rejection, not just take an order on it. Now the next trade I'm looking at is still a euro pair. It's the euro dollar short as well. So again, we're testing this trend line here. We're breaking below the key level of 1.087, and I suggest it could go lower, but I only want to take it out at 1.08 here. What I like about this trade though, versus the other pound trade, is this is making a head and shoulder pound on the 1 hour chart, and 1.081 is where the 4 hour 50 is. So I want to get out before that area. And we pop down now to the 1 hour chart. You can see you're going to get a 1.6% trade there. So personally myself, the pound I think presents a better option in risk to reward, but this is the cleaner chart as well. So depending what one comes up first, depends what I will take, in all fairness. But you can have a slightly tighter stop, maybe 40 pips stop. You're not going to get, I said, will not be like the pounds. This is 1.74%. And euro pound is saying, like, if it pulls back 3%, if it does come back only to say the pivot area, then it will be obviously a lesser trade. You want to stop in the same place just in case. Also bear in mind, guys, it is the end of the week and end of the month, so you never know. It may not go the way you want it to go, so you want to see these rejections. That's it for now, and I'll speak to you soon. Thank you very much.